Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 31st of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather active today. We have the risk of severe storms, mainly for the southern half of the state through the early afternoon hours, and then we go dry for the rest of the week. Upper air look showing a trough approaching from the west. Nice little short wave. Typically, when you see those this time of the year, that will bring some active weather, and that was the radar this morning a little before 5 o'clock. Just a big mass of rain moving into North Alabama. Thunderstorms developing basically from Jackson, Mississippi, back down into Louisiana. And those will be scooting across the southern part of the state. That's a look at the instability early this morning. This was at 09Z, which is 4 a.m., and you can see there's not much at all. But that will be creeping northward up into South Alabama as the morning progresses. 51 for Cullman and Haleyville early this morning. Birmingham 58. Many of these places will stay in the cool 50s all day. Nice stable air, so no severe worries there. But down to the south, we've got 70 at Mobile, New Orleans 76, and that's where that instability will be located, the surface-based instability this morning and early this afternoon. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet morning. Got some winter weather issues back in the northwestern states, and again, wind advisories for parts of the Gulf Coast region. There's your severe weather outlook through tonight. In Alabama, we got the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, south of a line from Linden to Clanton to Lafayette. But I really think the core threat is going to be south of U.S. 80, especially south and east of Montgomery today. And again, more about the specifics in a minute. Tomorrow, no severe weather across the country, and this is day 3, which is Thursday. Maybe some thunder from Texas on north, but again, no severe storms are expected. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts for Alabama between 1/2 and 1 inch for most places between now and Tuesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. The OZ run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. There's the trough down below that. At 4 o'clock, the surface low is south of Augusta, Georgia. But let's look at the HER model. This is valid this morning at 10 o'clock, and you can see those broken thunderstorms, a broken band of storms moving down through South Alabama. We'll check the instability, and really not much. But again, the Cape values do hit 1,000 joules down over the far southern part of the state. Storm relative helicity values are higher over the cool, stable air over North Alabama. But again, they're sufficient down in South Alabama for rotating storms. This is the STP this morning at 10 o'clock. Higher values over counties like Escambia and Conecuh and Butler, Atmore, Evergreen, Greenville. And then this is the STP at noon today. The higher values over southeast Alabama, Eufaula down toward Enterprise, Dothan, Ozark, and Geneva. And there's the timing. Most all of this should be gone by 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon. So if you're in southeast Alabama, especially places like Greenville, Luverne, Troy, Enterprise, Dothan, Eufaula, Ozark, just be aware you could see a few storms today with hail, strong winds, and maybe a few isolated tornadoes. So just be sure you have a way of getting warnings. For the northern half of the state, just a cool rain. Tomorrow will be a sunny day and a cool day. We'll see highs in the 60s, but we're going to start the day with some 30s over North Alabama. And there could be a touch of light frost in the colder pockets tomorrow morning. So growers, keep that in mind. This is Thursday, beautiful day, sunny. We start the day around 40. The high will be in the low 70s. And Friday, we're still dry. We'll call it partly sunny with mid-70s. Saturday, the GFS depicting a mostly dry day. Highs in the 70s, got a band of showers west of the state. This is the European. It's a little slower and, again, shows dry weather. So looks like we'll enjoy a dry day Saturday. And then Sunday, we'll mention some risk of a shower, but again, not much. If this is right, this is the GFS. High Sunday should be around 80, and then Monday we go wet. Rain likely, maybe some thunder, and this is Tuesday. Kind of a battle between the upper high over the southern Gulf and the trough to the north, and that looks like a good chance of showers and storms, and maybe stormy. That's a pretty unstable air mass. You see the shades of yellow in there. That's Cape values in excess of 2,000 joules per kilogram. So we'll be watching for any sign of severe weather early next week. Certainly looks like the fuel is there. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 9th of April. A broad northwest flow aloft, and again, that looks fairly quiet, maybe a few showers near the Gulf Coast if this verifies. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 3 and 4 inches for the next 15 days. And after the cool snap the next couple of days, we warm up. Upper 70s, low 80s on through April 10th. Still waiting for that late season freeze. Will it come this year? Blackberry winter. It does almost every year. But look at this. Let's go out deeper. April 7th through the 13th. If this verifies, temperatures above average across Alabama in the Deep South. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.